Hello everyone, so I'm gonna start rambling a bit in this video. I don't have a script, so I'm sorry about that, but I probably wouldn't have finished it anyway. So today we're going to be talking about structure blocks. So there are four different types of structure blocks: corner structure blocks, save structure blocks, load structure blocks, and data structure blocks, which were removed in the 1.10 update when structure blocks were added. Now, structure blocks are the second block added to the game alongside command blocks that change the way in some form. So, here's a basic showing of how they work. So you take a corner block and you put it right on the outside, and you name it, you go there and turn to corner, then you name it whatever, so I'm gonna do the, because whatever, doesn't matter. You have to turn these to corners, and then you create a save block. Doesn't matter where, just not inside the building, or else it's gonna save it there. But so the, and one problem I have with these kind of blocks is it doesn't change to Minecraft the, so it changes to that. So you have to close it out and then put it back. But detect, it should create a box. Great, beautiful. You can include entities if you want, but I'm going to. So there should be a bat and a villager in this one. So I'm going to include entities and save. So there. Then you put down a load block in some area, right? And you type in the. Then you do the same thing you did with the save block. So yeah. Then include entities, show bounding box, and press load. So actually I'm going to show this off later in the video, but you can turn stuff. So this is just going to be an easy example. Actually you have to put it on block of origin, but here we go. So you're going to have to put it on load. Sorry, it's kind of half-made video. Then include entities, load, and there. Do not press load 2 times unless you want to load it, because if you do, it's going to pop up, and that's going to be no fun, and you're not going to want to mess with structure blocks anymore. But see, it saved the entity, the villager. So see, copied the bats and the villagers. So that's how the basic structure block works. So it used to have a limit of 32 by 32 where the cyan blocks are, but now it's 48 by 48, just the normal range of what I built. So we're going to show one of the save functions for the save block. So it's gonna be like a corner-like function, but it's all by itself. So we're gonna build a 3x3 iron cube just to show this off. And let's leave an air block in the middle just to confirm that this is the same cube. So the structure size is going to be the structure size, so it's going to be 3 by 3 by 3. And then it's going to show on invisible blocks. You don't have to put that on, but I like doing that. So that is in the wrong position, so we're going to move that 1. That's going to be in the wrong direction, so we're going to have to move that -3. See? So then we move, I'm assuming this 1, and there. Perfectly aligned. Then you can include entities if you want. I'm not going to, but save. And then you can take a load block. Sorry, I didn't build something for this, but and you can, I did save this corner thing. So save corner thing. But there we go. You have to let that Minecraft thing load in. Then you're gonna have to press load. So this is wrong. I'm just gonna rotate it 180 degrees just because I don't want to deal with that. But click it again, and it loaded it. And see, it's the exact same one because there's an air pocket in the middle. So, let's move on to our next display. How to turn stuff. Now, you've already seen me do it twice in this video, but I might as well just show you how to exactly do it. So we set up the corner like we do, we save it, so this is 270 because you can rotate everything 270 degrees. So you can do it 90, you can just switch sides like that. You can do 180 and 170. So I'm just going to do 90. So we're going to click load, and it loads it at 90 degrees. Beautiful. So data blocks, they were removed, but I feel like I have to go over this. They were added in the 1.10 update with the structure blocks, but yeah. So it was meant to save what I assume it was, but Mojang never came out with a statement, but what I assume it was, and LogDogZip. Great video. I'm kind of sapping it a little bit off of his ideas. I'll put a link in the description. Thank you for getting this far in the video, but so basically it saves data. So in a book, so you can have, I think, 32,747 characters in a book. Don't quote me on that, but and then it can save if a lectern has a book in it, what book it has in it, what amount of blocks it has in its dispenser, or amount of ticks on our redstone repeater. Now these are just a few examples, but there are many different more because you can change it there. Yeah, but that was kind of replaced by the entire save function and entities, and you don't really need that. It just complicates things. I'm just going to get rid of this guy. So we're getting to the last showing. Sorry everything's so cramped here, but void, structure void. So you can see invisible blocks. You can turn these on right up here when saving or loading. Now structure voids show as like a tiny purple thing instead of air, which is blue. Now, normally these are invisible, kind of hard to see. Their hitbox is a bit smaller than a normal hitbox, but yeah, this is air, this is not. It's pink when shown in, yeah, but you get the point. So you can press save, and you can press save there. And the entire stick with this is it keeps the blocks around it that it's being replaced in, and it pastes it in. So if you want to have stone or water inside it, that's what structure voids are. If you just want to have it or air, that's how it does. So I'll just show an example right now. So this one should fill with water. So let's just do that. And it completely fills with water. It does? No, it doesn't. I must have messed something up. Let me just press save again. Yeah, this is kind of embarrassing. So it completely fills with water. Whatever, close enough, but see, it fills with water. I don't know what's going on with the inside here. It might be some water glitch, but yeah, it completely fills with water. Now for the structure that's built with air, it's not going to fill with water. So let's just load it in here, and see, it fills with air, and then this comes in here. But see, doesn't fill with water. Meanwhile, this one does. Let me show you a perfect example. See, this is all filled with water. I don't know what's going on with the top blocks, but whatever. So yeah, that's gonna be our tutorial for today. Sorry, it's kind of half made, no script, kind of YOLOing this video, but yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.